What is Reiki and how can that help us heal? Well, Rei means God's knowledge or higher power wisdom, and Ki means life energy. So we're asking the very essence of life, the very essence of life that runs through all of us to come in and do the healing. And so it's said that when our energy and our chi is low, that we will have depression and illness and disease. This life force energy is running through us in a more efficient way, then we feel happy, we feel satisfied, and we feel abundant. And so this Reiki is a healing technique that I personally have found in my practice to be the most powerful tool I have. And that is because it is not anything that we can control. It is the very essence of life that comes through all of us. And so when our body our tissue is blocked in different areas of our body, then the chi, the life force energy, cannot flow through us. And that's where disease and illness happens. And so in my practice, what I do is, first of all, I release the fascia, because the fascia is connective tissue, and it literally is the internet highway of communication for our body. All of our acupressure channels are held in our fascia tissue. And so after a fascia release, and then I lay hands on people and I clear my mind and I ask for the highest good of this person. I ask for divine spirit. I ask for the higher wisdom to come in and do the healing. I step out of my own way and I become a vessel. And so what do I experience with this with my clients is a deeper sense of relaxation and a deeper sense of healing, a level that is hard to comprehend, because we're asking the very essence of life, our creator, to come in and do the healing. So what I'll notice is, first of all, my clients get in a very meditative state. Now, if they're not already relaxed from the stretch, then I will go through and I will lead them on a guided meditation to get them more relaxed. And once you're in a meditative state and you're out of your thinking brain, then this life force energy can flow through us so much greater. And so a lot of times people's bodies will shake, or they'll have spontaneous release of emotion, or they'll have spontaneous release of memories. And really, it's that life force energy, that our creator coming in and cleaning out all the old energies that are keeping us stuck, and then clearing us out so we are running clear from head to toe. And so this Reiki provides a gateway for divine intervention, not only from our creator, but our angels too. And so what I have noticed in my practice, because I ask for the highest good of my clients, is that angels will come through, guardian angels, past loved ones will come, and they help us on our journey of healing as well. And so people will have this deep, profound connection to all that is, and really the connection to who they truly are, not on a body level, but more of a spiritual level. And what I've noticed is this profound connection not only helps my clients to heal physically, but also restore them emotionally, and also to release past trauma. So this Reiki has been extremely, for me, it is the form of healing that I find top notch for anything I do. But I do believe that we are skeptical human beings, and a lot of times we need the science to come and meet us so that we see, okay, so there's science and then there's the faith source energy coming through us. And sometimes if we have this connection to, if I get my fascia released and I relax and I get in my theta brainwave state and I am out of my own way, then I can see where the healing can happen, and I can see where this divine intervention can flow through me more. And so again, I find in my practice, it's a very strong correlation between people knowing what medically is going on with their body, and then they allow the spirituality come through more. When we get out of our thinking brain, miracles happen. And so what I've noticed is that if people can stop analyzing things and drop into their heart and breathe in love for themselves and release what no longer serves them, they're starting to already get in this healing state. And then when we allow for the release of what no longer serves us, we are getting through the Reiki, through this divine energy coming through, the more beautiful energy that comes through and guides us instead of the old stuck energy. I'm going to read some studies, what Reiki has been shown to help with. So Reiki's been shown to help with cancer, heart disease, anxiety, depression, chronic pain, infertility, neurodegenerative disorders, autism, Crohn's disease, and fatigue. And in 2017, a study published in the Journal of Complementary Therapies in Clinical Practices found that Reiki was very efficient in reducing anxiety and depression. Reiki helped with improving qualities of sleep, reducing chronic pain and depression in clients. So another study showed that in 2015 found that cancer patients treated with Reiki, distant Reiki, received lower levels of pain and anxiety and fatigue. And these were significant enough that their clients healed at a faster rate. 30 minutes of distant Reiki for 5 days in a row. I want to talk about distant Reiki for a moment here because I do a lot of distant Reiki. And again, if people can't wrap their heads around things, then they will discount it. Think of Reiki as distant prayer if that resonates with you. Also, think of it as the quantum energy, the entanglement that we all encounter, that everything is connected. And then if you think about our intention, which is the prayer of our heart, but our intention of our prayer, our energy, our connection to all that is going through and helping someone, and we see someone whole, healthy, and healed, that is exactly what they're getting. So this whole concept of stepping out of the 3D reality in order to understand who we are on a, not only on a physical level, but a spiritual level in our healing journey, you are going to have profound results in whatever you're dealing with, whether it is a chronic pain, physical injury or illness, or depression, anxiety, or even suicidal tendencies, any kind of addiction. This Reiki, this higher wisdom, this God energy, this source energy that flows through all living beings comes in and has a higher intelligence than we do if we just get out of our own way. And miracles can happen, and it can give us that sense of wanting to walk forward and having this sense of clarity that all is okay and that everything is working for you, not against you. Thank you and have a great day.